Hello students and good morning. So now I'm doing class for class 11. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class. The topic is trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. So we will start the same exercise, that is exercise 3. Page number 125. Section is the 4-mark section from the book Higher Mathematics for class 11 by Sailendra. So the question is, so this question number 8, number 1 is prove that tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, tan 87 degree, tan 88 degree, tan 89 degree is equal to 1. So this is your homework. You have to prove this left hand side is equal to 1. So this is your homework. There is similar type of question, that is question number 9. We will do it out here. So if I do this question, you can easily do this question number 8, number 1. Right? So let us do this question number 9 here. You have to prove that tan 181 degree, tan 182 degree, tan 183 degree, tan 267 degree, tan 268 degree, tan 269 degree is equal to 1. You have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, that is left hand side is equal to 1. So let us write down left hand side now. So let us write LHS is equal to tan 181 degree, tan 182 degree, tan 183 degree, then tan 267 degree, tan 268 degree, then it is tan 269 degree. Okay? And you know that here all the angles lies within 180 degree and 270 degree. Here all the angles lies within 180 degree and 270 degree. That means all the angles lie in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant tan is always positive. So let us convert it into simple, that is let us convert it into smaller angle. That is 181 degree can be written as 180 degree plus 1 degree. 182 is 180 degree plus 2 degree. 183 degree means 180 degree plus 3 degree, and so on. Right? So which is equal to, now it is tan 180 degree plus 1 degree is tan 181 degree. It is also tan 180 degree plus 2 degree. Then again this is tan 1, this is tan 180 degree plus 3 degree, How will you write tan 267 degree? It is tan 180 degree plus 87 degree, okay, into tan, this is 180 degree plus 88 degree is your 268 degree, tan, this is 180 degree plus 89 degree. Is that understood now? 180 plus 87 is 267 degree, 180 degree plus 88 degree is 268 degree, and 180 degree plus 89 degree is 269 degree. So all these angles lie in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant tan is always positive, and since this 180 degree is 90 into 2, even multiple of 90, so tan remains same. So this is tan 1 degree, this is tan 2 degree, this is the formula, tan 3 degree, this is your tan 87 degree, this is your tan 88 degree, and that is your tan 89 degree. So I think you have understood it. Okay. Now this question is same as 8 number 1. Okay. So now how will you do it? So how can you prove that this left hand side is equal to 1? And here you know that 1 degree and 89 degree. What is the summation? 90 degree. That means they are complementary to each other. That is 1 degree plus 89 is 90 degree. We can write it together. 2 degree and 88 degree, if you add them, you will get 90 degree. You can write it together again. And this tan 3 degree, tan 87 degree is also tan 90 degree. And tan 4 degree plus tan 86 degree is also tan 90 degree, and so on. So we can write down this tan in pair so that their summation of angles is 90 degree. So we can write here, which is equal to, this is tan 1 degree, tan 89 degree, right? And then what is the pair of tan 2 degree? It is tan 80 degree, because the summation of the angle is 90 degree. Similarly, within bracket, it is tan 3 degree into tan 87 degree, right? Similarly, there is tan 4 degree and tan 86 degree. You have to understand it. Dot dot dot. Now there are terms like tan 5 degree and tan 85 degree, tan 6 degree and tan 84 degree, and so on. You will have dot dot dot. That is, there are some terms like tan 44 degree, tan 4 degree, after tan 3 degree, tan 4 degree, tan 5 degree, tan 6 degree, tan 10 degree, tan 11 degree, and so on. Tan 45, tan 46, tan 47, tan 87, tan 88, tan 89. Okay. So now dot dot dot. Then comes tan 44. What is the pair of tan 44? It is tan 46 degrees, so that their summation is 90 degree. And the last one is tan 45 degree, isn't it? So this tan 45 degree doesn't have a pair. So it is only tan 45 degree. So there are terms like tan 5 degree, tan 85, tan 6 degree, tan 84, tan 7 degree, tan 83 degree, and so on. Tan 44 degree, tan 46 degree, dot. Then comes tan 45 degree. Okay. So let us simplify it now. So which is equal to, this is tan 1 degree. You can write it in terms of 1 degree, isn't it? 89 can be written as tan 90 degree minus 1 degree. Is that clear? Similarly here, tan 2 degree into tan 90 degree minus 2 degree. Similarly here, this is tan 3 degree into tan 90 degree minus 3 degree. Is that clear? Next, this is tan 4 degree, then tan 90 degree minus 4 degree will give you tan 86 degree, dot dot dot. Then comes here tan 44 degree, tan 90 degree minus 46 degree, not 46, this should be 44. This should be what? 90 degree minus 44 will give you 46 degree. That is 90 degree minus 44 will give you 46 degree. Then what is the value for tan 45? It is 1. Okay. So within bracket, now what is the formula here? This is tan 1 degree into, what is tan 90 degree minus 1 degree? This lies in the first quadrant, so it is cot 1 degree. This is the formula. That is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Similarly, this is tan 2 degree into cot 2 degree. Here also, this is tan 3 degree into, this is tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Okay. So here, so it is tan 4 degree into, this is your cot 4 degree, dot dot dot. And there, what will you write here? It is tan 44 degree, tan 44 degree into, what is tan 90 minus theta here again? Cot 44 degree into 1. So you know what is tan theta into cot theta? That is 1, isn't it? So you can write here tan 1 degree into 1 by tan 1 degree, right? This is also tan 2 degree into 1 by tan 2 degree. This is tan 3 degree into 1 by tan 3 degree. Similarly, this is tan 4 degree into 1 by tan 4 degree dot dot dot. Then what do we write here? It is tan 44 degree into, this is also 1 by tan 44 degree into 1. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so now here you can cancel it. This goes 1 times, this goes 1 time, this goes 1 time, this is 1 divided by 1, this is also 1 divided by 1. So all these are 1, isn't it? So what is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, etc.? So 1 is, if 1 is multiplied any number of times, if 1 is multiplied any number of times, that is 1 into 1 into 1 dot 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 1 is equal to 1. That means we got the answer as 1. So it is proved. All are 1 here, isn't it? If 1 is multiplied any number of times, 1 into 1 into 1 dot 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 1 is equal to 1. So we have proved that this LHS is equal to RHS. That is, we have proved it. So similarly, you can do this 8 number 1. So 8 number 1 will be a homework. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now let us prove this left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, you have to prove LHS is equal to 1. So let us write down left hand side here. So LHS here is tan square pi by 16 into tan square 2 pi by 16, tan square 3 pi by 16. It is tan square 4 pi by 16, tan square 5 pi by 16, then there is tan square 6 pi by 16, tan square 6 pi by 16, then tan square, it is 7 pi by 16. So let us prove left hand side is equal to 1. Okay, so now in this case, this is pi by 16. Don't put pi is equal to 180 degree here, because if you put 180 degree by 16, it will not be simplified further. That is, you won't get the standard angle out here. Okay, so don't put pi is equal to 180 degree here. Here also 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, pi by 8 is there, but don't cancel it. But here you can cancel these 4 and 16, because this will be pi by 4, isn't it? Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. If you divide it, then it will be pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is standard angle. So cancel them. There is also 6 pi by 16. Don't cancel it, because it will be 3 pi by 8, which is not the standard angle, and 7 pi by 16, keep it as it is. Okay. So now let us convert this expression after this tan square pi by 4 into cot. Okay, let us convert this tan into cot. Let's see what happens here. Keeping the first 3 terms as they are, tan square pi by 16, tan square 2 pi by 16, tan square 3 pi by 16. So this is your tan square pi by 4, right? So we can write down this square term in terms of whole square. So we can write here tan 5 pi by 16 whole square. This is tan 6 pi by 16 whole square. Similarly, what is the last one? It is tan 7 pi by 16 whole square. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so let us keep these 3 terms as they are. So it is tan square pi by 16, tan square 2 pi by 16, tan square 3 pi by 16. And you know that this is tan pi by 4 is 1 always. So we can write here 1 whole square. Okay. Now let us convert this into cot. So this is your tan theta, isn't it? So what is tan theta in terms of cot? You can write here cot 90 degree minus theta. Tan theta is cot pi by 2 minus theta, isn't it? So here you can write, we are changing into cot. So it is cot pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 16. This is your whole square, right? Similarly, let us convert this cot into tan. So this is also cot 90 minus 6 pi by 16 whole square. Is that clear? Similarly, last one will be, it is cot pi by 2 minus, this is 7 pi by 16 whole square. So I think you have understood it. So we have converted these last three tan in terms of cot by writing cot 90 minus theta or cot pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. So now again let us keep them as they are. Tan square pi by 16, tan square 2 pi by 16. This is tan square 3 pi by 16, 1 whole square is 1. Now within bracket or within second bracket here we have cot. What's the LCM? LCM is 16, isn't it? So 16 is divided by 2. It is 8. So it is 8 pi minus 5 pi whole square. Is that clear? Similarly, take the LCM here. Cot within bracket, what's the LCM? It is 16. So it is 8 pi minus 6 pi whole square. Similarly here it is cot, what's the LCM? It is 16. Okay. So 2 8s are 16. So it is 8 pi minus 7 pi. So this is whole square. Is that clear now? So let us simplify it further. Is equal to tan square pi by 16, tan square 2 pi by 16, tan square 3 pi by 16. So since it is 1, you don't have to write it. Okay. So into, now within bracket cot, what is 8 pi minus 6 5 pi? That is 3 pi by 16 whole square. This is cot 2 pi by 16 whole square into, what is that last one? It is cot pi by 16 whole square. That means, why are we converting these last three tan into cot? We're getting the same angle here, isn't it? This is pi by 16, this is also pi by 16. This is 2 pi by 16, this is also 2 pi by 16. This is 3 pi by 16 and this is also 3 pi by 16. So that we can easily simplify them. Okay. So is equal to, this is tan square pi by 16. This is tan square 2 pi by 16. This is tan square 3 pi by 16 into. Now you know that this is cot square, isn't it? This is cot square 3 pi by 16 into, this is cot square 2 pi by 16. And what is the last one? This is cot square pi by 16. So we have converted them into cot. The last three tan लाई चाहिँ हामीले केमा चेन्ज गर्यौं? cot मा चेन्ज गर्यौं. So what is cot square now? It is 1 by tan, isn't it? So that we can simplify it with this tan square pi by 16, tan square 2 pi by 16 and tan square 3 pi by 16 and so on, right? So is equal to, let us keep it as it is, tan square pi by 16, tan square 2 pi by 16, this is tan square 3 pi by 16 into, so what is cot square 3 pi by 16? You can write here 1 upon tan square 3 pi by 16 into, now what is cot square 2 pi by 16? 1 upon tan square 2 pi by 16 into, again, what is cot square pi by 16? It is 1 upon tan square pi by 16. So I think you have understood it. So we can cancel it. This and this will be cancelled. Tan square pi by 16, tan square pi by 16. One is in the numerator and the other one is in the denominator. You can cancel them. This also tan square 2 pi by 16. Here also you can cancel it. So which is equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So it is proved. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 10. So in question number 10 you have to prove this. You have to prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let us prove it now. So let us write here left hand side. So it is LHS is equal to cos square pi by 4 plus sin square 3 pi by 4 plus this is also sin square. This is sin square 5 pi by 4 plus it is sin square 7 pi by 4. So this is the question. So in this case, this pi by 4 into 3, pi by 4 into 5, pi by 4 into 7, these are standard angles. Because you can write it in terms of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 90 degree and so on. That's why it is known as standard angles. So since this is whole square, you can write it within whole square, right? So this is cos pi by 4 whole square plus this is sin 3 pi by 4 whole square plus this is sin 5 pi by 4 whole square and plus this one is sin 7 pi by 4 whole square. Okay. So now let us convert these radians into sexagesimal system. That is, let us convert this pi into 180 degree form. What is pi by 4? You know pi by 4 is 45 degree, isn't it? So which is equal to, so this is cos 45 degree. You know that pi by 4 is 180 by 4. After simplification, you will get 45 degree. So now this is sine, what is pi by 4 into 3? That is 45 into 3. It is 135 degree. Right? This is whole square plus this is also sine pi by 4 is 45. 45 into 5. So it is 5 5s are 25. 2 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So it is sine 225 degree. Okay. So this is your whole square plus sine, what is 7 pi by 4? That means pi by 4 is 45. 45 into 7. What is 45 into 7? So 7 5s are 35. 5 3. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. Sorry. 45 into 7. That is 7 5s are 35. 3 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. That is 315 degree. So this is also whole square. So you know that these are all standard angles because this 135 degree, 225 degree and 315 degree can be written in terms of 45 degree. Okay, so how to write it in terms of 45 degree? You know cos 45 is 1 by root 2. This is your 1 by root 2 whole square plus now sine, how will you write it? You may write here 90 plus 45 or you may write 180 degree minus 45 degree. If you write even multiple of 90, you don't have to change the trigonometrical ratio. So let us write it from even multiple of 90 plus here sine of, how do you write it? it is 180 degree plus 45 degree. This is also whole square, right? Plus, how much is this one now? Sine even multiple of 90, that means 360. 360 minus what is 315? 360 degree minus 45 degree. So 360 degree minus 45 degree is 315 degree. Since these angles are written in terms of 45 degrees, so this is known as standard angles. Is that clear? So which is equal to, what is 1 by root 2 whole square? That is 1 by root 2 whole square is 2 plus, what is sine 180 minus theta? You know that this is sine 45 degree whole square plus, how much is it? Sine 180 plus theta lies in the third quadrant. So it is minus sine 45 degree whole square plus, similarly, what is the last one? Sine 360 minus theta, that is minus sine theta, that is minus sine 45 degree. This is also whole square. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So which is equal to, this is half plus this is 1 upon root 2 whole square plus minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus, similarly, what is here? It is minus 1 by root 2 whole square. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it further now. So what will be the further simplification here? Which is equal to half plus, what is 1 by root 2 whole square again? It is half plus, now minus whole square, you know that if minus is multiplied twice, minus whole square means minus is multiplied twice. So it is minus into minus plus. So it is 1 by 2 plus, this is also minus whole square is plus, 1 by root 2 whole square is 2. So we can add them half plus half plus half plus half, that is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. That is proved. So we have proved that this left hand side is equal to right hand side, which is equal to 2. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 11. So you have to find out the minimum value of this expression. So here the given expression is 2 to the power sine square theta plus 2 to the power cos square theta. You have to find out the minimum value of this given expression, 2 to the power sine square theta plus 2 to the power cos square theta. So how can you find out the minimum value of this expression? That is 2 to the power sine square theta plus 2 to the power cos square theta. So let us write here given expression. So given expression is equal to, this is 2 to the power sine square theta plus 2 to the power cos square theta. Now we have to get the minimum value of this expression. So let us assume, let A is equal to first term, that is 2 to the power sine square theta, and B is equal to 2 to the power cos square theta. That means you have to get the minimum value of what? A plus B. Now we have to find out, minimum value of what? Minimum value of A plus B. So let us find out the minimum value of A plus B here now. What is the value for A here? 2 to the power sine square theta, and plus what is the value for B? It is 2 to the power cos square theta. So we have to find out the minimum value of A plus B. So now you know that A and B are different two numbers. They may be equal, they may be unequal. One is greater than the other also. A may be positive, B may be negative. A may be negative, B may be positive. Both may be positive, both may be negative. So here we know that, let us write down this expression, A minus B whole square. So from this expression we can get the minimum value of A plus B. So how can you find out the minimum value of a plus b from a minus b whole square? So let us do it now. So a minus b whole square is always a positive quantity, isn't it? Whatever may be the value of a, whatever may be the value of b, whether a is greater than b or a is less than b, a minus b whole square is always a positive quantity. A minus b may be positive, a minus b may be negative, but within whole square it is always a positive quantity. If they are equal, suppose a is equal to b, then it is 0. If a is equal to b, then a minus b will be 0. So a minus b whole square is either 0 or greater than 0, isn't it? So we should know that a minus b whole square is either greater than 0 or is equal to 0. So we can write here greater than or equal to 0. So it is always positive. It may be is equal to 0 if a is equal to b. If a is greater than b or if a is less than b, then a minus b whole square is always a positive quantity. Or it may be is equal to 0 if a is equal to b. Is it understood now? यदि यो a is equal to b भयो भने चाहिँ a minus b के हुन्छ 0 हुन्छ. तर यदि a greater than b भयो भने b greater than a भयो भने, suppose a is greater than b, a minus b is positive. Positive whole square is always positive. Suppose a is less than b, a minus b is negative. So negative whole square is always a positive quantity. So we should know that this a minus b whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. Is that clear? So now you should know this formula again. A minus b whole square ko duita formulas. That is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. There is another formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So let us use the second one. So you should know this formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And also a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So let us use the second one. That is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 4ab, it is greater than or equal to 0. So let us take minus 4ab to the right hand side, or this is a plus b whole square is greater than or equal to, this is your 4ab. Or you can write, now let us find out, because you have to get the minimum value of a plus b only, let us get the square root on both the sides. So taking square root on both the sides, what do we get? We are taking square root on both the sides because we have to get the value for a plus b only. So we are getting square root on both the sides. So what is here? That is a plus b greater than or equal to, what is square root of 4? 2, and this is root over ab. You cannot get the square root of ab. So keep it as it is within root. And what is square root of 4? It is 2. So now from here it is understood that a plus b is either greater than twice root over ab, or a plus b is equal to twice root over ab. अब यो a plus b चाहिँ कि त greater than twice root over ab हुनु पर्यो, कि त a plus b is equal to twice root over ab हुनु पर्यो. That means what is the minimum value of a plus b is equal to 2 root over ab. So the minimum value of a plus b is 2 root over ab. Is that understood? It means that either a plus b is greater than twice root over ab, or a plus b is equal to twice root over ab. That means what is the minimum value of a plus b? It is 2 root over ab, isn't it? So here we can write, therefore minimum value of a plus b is equal to what? Is equal to 2 root over ab. That means we can put the value for a and b. What is a actually? 2 to the power is equal to 2 root over, what is a here? What is a? 2 to the power sine square theta. 2 to the power sine square theta into, what is the value for b? 2 to the power cos square theta It is 2 to the power cos square theta. So which is equal to 2 root over. Now we can multiply them. If we multiply these two powers will be added. So it is 2 to the power sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2 root over 2 to the power. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1, which is equal to 2 root over 2. That is, what is the minimum value of 2 to the power sin square theta plus 2 to the power cos square theta? It is 2 root 2. That means we have got the minimum value of, that is here the value for A is 2 to the power sin square theta plus, what is the value for B? A is 2 to the power sin square theta, and what is B? 2 to the power cos square theta. 2 to the power cos square theta. Okay? That is, what is the minimum value of 2 to the power sin square theta plus 2 to the power cos square theta? By putting A is equal to 2 sin square theta and B is equal to 2 cos square theta, we got this value, that is 2 root over 2. So what is the minimum value of this given expression? It is 2 root over 2. That is, what is the minimum value of 2 to the power sin square theta plus 2 to the power cos square theta? It is 2 root over 2. So that is your final answer. So that is your answer. So this problem is quite complicated. So you can revise it at home. I hope you have understood it. So you can revise it at home. So we'll do the next problem now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 1. Prove that. This is from 5 marks section, same page number 125, same exercise. Okay, so this is from 5 marks section, question number 1. Prove that. You have to prove that 3 within third bracket sine to the power 4 3 pi by 2 minus alpha plus sine to the power 4 within bracket 3 pi plus alpha, first bracket closed, third bracket closed, minus 2 within third bracket sine to the power 6 within bracket pi by 2 plus alpha plus sine to the power 6 within bracket 5 pi minus alpha, first bracket closed, third bracket closed is equal to 1. So you prove that this left hand side is equal to 1. So we have copied here this left hand side. So this is your left hand side. Okay. So now let us simplify this left hand side. So let us write down the formula in this case. Okay. So is equal to 3. So within third bracket, we can write it within whole to the power 4, isn't it? That is sine 3 pi by 2 minus alpha. This is whole to the power 4 plus here also sine 3 pi plus alpha whole to the power 4. Right? Similarly, minus 2, here also we can write it within second bracket sine pi by 2 plus alpha whole to the power 6 plus, then how do you write it? Sine, this is your 5 pi minus alpha whole to the power 6. Is that clear? So in order to write down all these formulae, so let us draw the quadrants here. Right. So let us draw the quadrants here. You know, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant. Okay. So let us write down angle in radian. This is 0. This is your pi by 2. This is your pi. And this is your 3 pi by 2. And this 2 pi will coincide with 0. Okay. So now let us write down the formula for sine 3 pi by 2 minus alpha first. So let us write here 3 first. So within third bracket. So what is the formula for sine 3 pi by 2 minus alpha? Actually, what is pi by 2? 90. 90 into 3 is 27 degree. 270 degree, sorry. 270 degree. Pi by 2 is 90. 90 into 3 is 270 degree. So it is 270 degree minus alpha. 270 degrees here, minus alpha lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sign is always negative. So it is minus. Understood? Now since this is 270 odd multiple of 90, so sign changes to cos. So it is cos alpha whole to the power 4. Plus, now let us check this one. In which quadrant does this angle lie? 3 pi plus alpha. What is 3 pi? 3 pi means 1 pi half round, 2 pi full round, 3 pi this half round. Then 3 pi plus alpha is there. Alpha means plus alpha means lies in the third quadrant. Is that clear? And in the third quadrant, sign is always negative. So it is minus sign. Is that clear? But will it change? Will sign change to cos or not? So let us check it here. 3 pi. What is pi? Pi is 180. 90 into 2. Right? This is pi means 180 degree, 90 degree into 2. 3 2s are 6. So it is 6 into 90 degree. Or 90 degree into 6. So it is even multiple of 90. If it is even multiple of 90, so sign remains same. So it is minus sine alpha whole to the power 4. I think you have understood it. Okay. Next one. Minus 2 within third bracket. Now what's about this sine 90 plus alpha? In which quadrant does this lie? 90 plus alpha? Pi by 2 plus alpha lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is always plus. So it is positive. But since this is 90 degree, 90 into 1. So odd multiple, so sign changes to cos. So it is cos alpha whole to the power 6. Then write down plus. So now what's about this 5 pi minus alpha? In which quadrant does it lie? 5 pi minus alpha now. 5 pi means this is 1 pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, 4 pi, this is 5 pi. 5 pi minus alpha lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. And you know that in the second quadrant, this sign is always positive. This sign is always positive. So positive sign, usually we don't write it. This 5 pi, is it even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90? Let us check it. So it is 5 pi. So 5 into pi means 180 degree, which is equal to 5 into what is 180 degree? 90 into 2. So which is equal to 90 degree into 5 2s are 10. So 10 is an even multiple, isn't it? So it is even multiple of 90. So if it is even multiple of 90, trigonometrical ratios do not change. So sign remains same. So it is sine alpha whole to the power 6. Is that understood now? So we have simplified it. Okay. So which is equal to 3 within third bracket minus whole to the power 4. Even number of times minus is multiplied. So it is plus. So it is cos to the power 4 alpha plus this is also sine to the power 4 alpha minus 2. So it is cos to the power 6 alpha plus sine to the power 6 alpha. Is that understood? So now we can use a formula here. So what is the formula that you can use here? This is a square plus b square and this is a cube plus b cube. Okay. So it is equal to, so it is cos square alpha whole square plus what is b whole square? This is sine square alpha whole square. Right? Minus 2 within third bracket. What is the formula that you can use here? A cube. That is cos square alpha whole cube. A cube plus what is b whole cube? It is sine square alpha whole cube. It is sine square alpha whole cube. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it now. So let us do it here. is equal to, this is the step, next step, right, is equal to 3 within third bracket. What is the formula here? A square plus B square. You know that. A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. You can use this formula. What is A here? Cos square alpha. What is B here? Sin square alpha. So it is A plus B whole square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha whole square. Then minus twice AB. Minus 2 into what is A? A is cos square alpha, isn't it? So let us write here cos square alpha. And what is B here? It is sin square alpha. Is that clear? As there is no space out here, let us write it here. Actually, this is the continuation step, right? So minus 2 within third bracket. So now this is A cube plus B cube. So what is the formula that you can use here? A cube plus B cube. So A cube plus B cube. Now in this case, which formula is used? A plus B whole cube minus thrice AB into A plus B. We can use this formula. What is A cube plus B cube? A plus B whole cube minus thrice AB into A plus B. So let us use the formula here. Okay. Here A is cos square alpha and what is B? Sin square alpha. So what is A plus B whole cube? It is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha whole cube. That is your A plus B whole cube. Minus thrice AB. Minus 3 cos square alpha into sin square alpha. That is your thrice AB. And what is A plus B within bracket? That is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Let us write here cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So we have used the formula here. Here A is cos square alpha and B is sin square alpha. Okay. So let us simplify it further. Is equal to 3 within third bracket. What is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha? That is 1. So it is 1 whole square minus 2 cos square alpha sin square alpha. Third bracket is closed. Then minus 2 within third bracket. Again, what is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha? You know that is 1. It is 1 whole cube. Right? Minus 3 cos square alpha sin square alpha. And what's about that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha? That is also 1. Right? You know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is also 1. So which is equal to 3 within third bracket. This is 1 minus 2 cos square alpha sin square alpha, right? Minus 2 within the 1 whole cube is 1 minus 3 ones are 3. This is cos square alpha and this is sin square alpha. So here also third bracket is closed. So let us open this third bracket. It is 3 minus 6 cos square alpha sin square alpha minus 2 ones are 2 minus into minus plus 2 threes are 6 cos square alpha and this is your sin square alpha. So here you can cancel them. This second term and the last term will be cancelled. That is minus 6 cos square alpha sin square alpha and plus 6 cos square alpha sin square alpha will be cancelled. And what is 3 minus 2? Which is equal to 1. So it is proved. So this question is very, very important. So you can mark it. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. त आज हामीले जति पनि प्रब्लम्सहरु गर्यौं यो प्रब्लम्सहरु घरमा राम्रोसँग रिभिजन गर्नु. You can do the homework given and you revise all the problems that we did so far. So in the next online class we will do more problems on this trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. So this much is for today.